Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's investment research tools. Now there are a couple of research tools available on Fidelity. There's a stock screener, and that's a tool to filter stocks based on criteria such as market capitalization, sectors, and dividend yield. Now there's also a mutual fund screener, and that's a tool to filter mutual funds based on criteria such as investment styles, asset class, and fees. There's also a ETF screener, and that's a tool to filter ETFs based on criteria such as investment styles, fees, and asset class. You also have option screener, and that's a tool to filter options based on criteria such as underlying stock, strike price, and expiration date. You also have research reports, and that's to that gives you access to a research reports from top firms such as Morningstar, S&P Capital IQ, and Thomas Reuters. Now you also have company profiles, and that's in-depth profiles of publicly traded companies, including financials, management teams, and industry information. You also have industry and sector analysis tool, and that's research and analysis on various industries and sectors, including trends, outlooks, and recommendations. You also have market and economic commentary. Now that's insights and analysis on market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. These are all the tools that are available for use. And when it comes to using Fidelity's research tools, what you want to do is to access your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app, and just log into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to choose the research option and select the specific tool or reports that you want to use. And you can use the various filters and criteria to customize your search and find the most relevant results. You can also review the search reports, company profiles, and industry analysis to make informed investment decisions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's investment research tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.